Today I'll be doing a ukulele tutorial for true color. You only need 4 chords. That would be A minor, G, C, and F. For the strumming pattern, you use down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Or you may also do down, up, tap, down, up, tap, down, up, down, up. Now let's try. Let's try it again, but slower. Down, up, tap, down, up, tap, down, up, down. The chord progression is A minor, G, C, and F. But for the last line, it would be A minor, G, F, C. So let's try to do the first verse. You in the sad times, don't be discouraged. Oh, I realize it's hard to take courage. In a world full of people, you can lose sight of it all. Darkness inside you makes you feel so small. These are the chords for the chorus, but for the ending, just use A minor, G, C, and F. It would be like this. I see your true color shining through. I see your true color. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true color. True color are beautiful, like a rainbow. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Also, consider clicking on the notification bell. Remember, let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching.